We present our new development of a 3D print head for SLS plastic. Similar to an inkjet printer in which the ink exits through the nozzles, the focused laser beams hit the powder and melt it. We are currently working with 10 laser beams, but more are possible.